Steph, I ain't gonna lie, you with us on this, boy. Let's get it. Ain't wanna listen, they call me a menace. Ain't understand me until I got bigger. Ran through the storm, I was trying to get with ya. Always just wanted to be in the picture. Ain't wanna listen, they call me a menace. Ain't understand me until I got bigger. Want inspiration, I look in the mirror. You a goofy, how you claim you a killer? Family taught me never care for the system. They'll block you before you get to the center. Daydreaming, never open my eyes. Got a talent, I could peep out alive. Steady grinding, I'ma get to the.
And we're back with this thing. Welcome to Never Settle Garage. Also, Alex is here. Smile for the camera. We found Hobo Steve, and he hasn't changed. He's still a hobo.
We're kind of a hoe.
Fair enough. You can't be a hoe that ugly.
Hey, did you leave this already?
No.
So you told me, wait, so...
There's no pressure in the brake lines. Huh?
You see, brake fluid goes
It's
everywhere.
been dripping everywhere, dude. There's not even any fluid left in the master.
That's what I'm saying.
I'm letting all the fluid drain.
That's what I'm asking. Is there fluid in?
No.
Okay.
I mean, a little bit might come out, just whatever's stuck in there, but it's all over the ground. We're doing brake lines. Did you get it loose?
It's just so fucking old, dude. It's good. You wanna take a minute there, dude?
So, I have new brake lines. Shout out to my BC coilovers, those are cool. They're a little dirty. But I'm replacing the front calipers and brake lines and pads and rotors. Also found that one of my bolts for my front strut bar or sway bar was not there. So fix that.
Did you grab that wrench?
No. Oh, yeah.
You did?
I did. I put it back. You need it? It was the 3/8 one, right?
No, not this. No. The 9 mil.
Oh, no, I didn't grab that yet.
Oh, fuck. On the meat.
Yours too? I need to put something down.
This no more, man.
This brake fluid is going to make me bust my ass.
Is that what's all over the floor?
Yeah.
All this sweat?
Yeah. It's all brake fluid. We need a 9 mil wrench. We'll be right back. Let's go check on Alex. Alex, you
Dude, I'm
might.
about fucking done with this fucking thing. Fuck. Shut the fuck up.
So he did a ball joint, and now the CV shaft is out. Did it come out here or back there?
Well, what does it look like?
I don't know, Alex. I can't tell. Back there?
Yeah.
Holy fuck. That looks kind of broken, Alex.
Well, I cut the boot off of it
Oh, that's why it looks like that.
so I can see what the fuck's going on.
We might have
It's literally
to.
like lined up, but for some reason the front hub is just spins, so it won't lock into place so I can like wiggle it.
You might have to take off. Yeah,
No.
yeah. As much as I hate to say it, you might have to take the
That's not really the
axle
issue.
nut. No, you might have to take that off so you can
No.
move this side.
It's that spins when I spin this.
Well, yeah.
Like this. It just spins and I can't wiggle it back and forth.
You want me to get under there and hold that side?
Just take the fucking CV shaft out.
You want me to get under there and hold the other?
All I gotta do is take this nut off and I can pull it out. Fuck it. Fuck
No, hey, whatever.
Oh, don't work anymore.
Take it off. Fuck it. Make sure you got the right one. Maybe. I don't know. You need a light?
Yeah, I can't see.
Okay, hold on.
See what I tell you? You're a redneck ingenuity.
Basically. Can't say he's not a redneck. Oh yeah, this vlog's all over the place. We've been working, but his hub fell apart. But we made it back here. That works. Can't say he didn't try. Me and Mouse got the front brake lines done.
No, I got the front one off. You took too long and we're hogging all the tools, so I couldn't get the other front one on.
Oh, okay. Well, I'll work on getting that one on there.
Yeah, you piece of shit. Fuck. Hurry up.
Shut up, dude.
Hurry up.
Nobody asked you.
I asked you to hurry up.
Okay, well, this is what they look like with the GK Tech brake lines on. Way better. Shit was crusty.
Oh, touch it.
Slowly turning it into a race car. And to do the other side.
This bitch is like charcoal white, dude.
I thought you said you didn't have it on.
Huh? It's put together. You still gotta tighten everything.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, just run it loose as fuck.
Well, I'm not running it today anyway.
You still gotta put everything. You still have to tighten it all up.
Okay.
I just didn't have the tools to tighten it up because you got one line wrench that fits and you were using it to take the other one.
Well, the other one was being a pain in the ass going back together.
Well,
My bad, I didn't take it off, so I didn't know what angle it needed to be at, dude.
Oh, is this the draft that Alex got?
No, this is the one that I got. That's the one that Alex brought.
So you did get the draft?
Yeah, I was at Harbor Freight. And that one's on clearance for 80 bucks. Instead of the 130, so.
And it's almost half off.
Yeah. Don't know if it works or not, I didn't take it out yet, but
I see that.
I'm assuming it was just a return or the damaged box or something.
Could have been.
Oh yeah!
I mean, if it doesn't work, worst that happens is you take it back.
They won't take it back. All sales are final on the clearance rack.
So that sucks.
Yeah.
hard working white man.
Look at him.
Yeah! Fuck that truck.
Yeah. Buy a Chevy, they said.
Mine's fine. Mine doesn't work because I did aftermarket stuff. Okay, that's different.
Yeah, you made it unreliable.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's why I won't do anything to the Hyundai. I refuse to make that car unreliable.
I had I had a Chevy Malibu for a while, and I loved it. I loved mine.
Mouse loved his until he started doing things to it. And then it just gets annoying.
I had a Ford Taurus too at one point. It was an 06. It was like a maroonish red color. Now that thing, I didn't.
Piece of shit.
Yeah.
Are you done with this line wrench for a second?
Yes.
Okay.
Hurry up!
Go on!
I want to. I'll go.
Max is like, I got time.
Gladly. I was just trying to.
Alex, I was just trying to go home.
I'll gladly go home, motherfucker.
Dirty whore.
You fucking put the brake lines together, take them apart. Neener.
Yeah?
Yeah, I'm pissed. My sweatpants are dirty, my ass is wet. Alex is ugly.
He's drinking fucking Mountain Dew. It's probably not even cold.
Yeah, how hot is that Mountain Dew right now?
Did you get it out the cooler? What else you got in that cooler? Also, you do realize we have a whole fridge upstairs, right? You don't have to bring a cooler.
I mean, I brought the juice anyways. It was like $2 for it.
Hi, baby. Yeah, you playing with your car?
Yeah, I didn't expect to have to buy a caliper either, but you know.
I didn't expect to.
Yeah, they're close to the exact caliber.
Uh-oh.
What happened? What'd you do?
Huh?
What happened?
Attempted loosening a bolt, but your shit's fucking caked in all this other stuff, and now you need a new line. Hell yeah, dude.
That's a hard line.
Mm-hmm. Indeed it do be.
But I don't have the tools for that.
No, you do not. If I were you, I'd get everything put together and then just...
Add a bubble.
Because you'll be fine to drive it to the shop and just
Don't throw it.
have somebody replace that line.
That was great.
That's
That's what I would do. But,
that's gonna have to wait a couple months.
yeah, dude.
Yeah.
Yeah. Because this bolt's like stuck in there.
Damn,
It's
son.
glued together.
Yeah, so
Heck, this is all this stuff. I don't know if the other one is,
I wonder where that hard line goes. I wonder if it's the whole as.
right here. It looks like
Probably there and then down. I don't know. I mean, look.
there. Up here.
There's too much to talk, buddy.
It goes from here to where my finger
You
is.
didn't want to color
I don't know if
chalk?
you can see.
Watch out, move your hand. Oh, that's great. I gotta remove the gas tank.
Yeah, dude. It's fine, dude. It's only one side. You don't need brakes.
Don't buy a G35 that's rusty and try to do brake lines.
This shit's fucked.
Yeah, because that just costed me another $1,000 probably.
Don't yell at me! Yell at your car for being old.
It is old. I don't even know where the fuck that hard line runs. Does it go up
What
into
year is that thing?
this?
Yes.
An 04?
It's almost 20 years.
Yeah, it's almost done.
Yeah. In other words, you get to see all the nice new control arms.
I tried to tell you. This is a horrible idea. When you said, I gotta replace my brake lights. I said, you are? And you said,
Yeah. But yeah, because if I didn't replace them, at some point I was gonna have to replace them.
No, you probably should have decided that when, you know,
What?
you weren't hurting for cash and you only got one reliable car.
Yeah. Well, you know,
Master mechanic.
it's whatever.
Is it whatever?
Yeah.
Sure about that?
Yeah, I kind of just want to post it up for sale.
Yeah.
Yeah, over a brake line, not gonna lie.
You done with it? You give it up
Yeah.
on all your hopes and dreams now?
No, I'm gonna go buy something else. Fuck it. I'm gonna sell this and go buy an E36.
Wait, hold on.
What?
We put springs in the bucket.
No, I put true coilovers on mine. The springs on the shock.
Oh.
I just didn't get rid of the
You
buckets
want to do
yet.
it right here?
That
Yeah,
makes
Do it
sense.
right here, baby.
I have true coilovers.
It won't work in the
Because
rock.
I see what you're saying.
Yeah.
Stupid.
The true coilovers?
No,
Oh, yours?
everything. Yeah.
Yeah, you
Yeah.
need to open.
Your dilemma. Alex's dilemma. Damn, I should be glad that my only dilemma is the fact that I have no AC.
Yeah, probably.
No, you took the hands out of there. Really? Wow. Go show James.
What?
Look at his hands.
What do you do?
Shoved his hands in here.
In the exhaust?
Yeah, shoved both of his hands right in there. Yeah, look at his hands. Look at his hands.
Black palm.
Good job, Grayson.
Yeah, now he looks like you.
Looks like who?
Like me.
Oh, like you. Okay.
Stop assuming it's racial.
Hey man, it sounded like it. No, he looks like you.
Oh my goodness.
Is that a bad thing?
Wow.
Some people would.
Depends.
Love to look
If there's a
like
cop in the room,
Grayson.
probably.
No, right here.
No, I get along with cops actually.
There you go.
Yeah, you're right. You're not dark enough to have that issue.
Here, look. Mama right Grayson.
I have this magical thing called light eye privilege.
Light eye privilege.
Why?
So when you're of color and you have light colored eyes, you get like a little bit more leeway on things. You're like, oh, there's a little bit of white in there.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying?
It's brown.
I mean, not particularly.
Know what I mean?
Not particularly.
What?
For sure.
I'm talking about the chalk.
Okay.
Yeah. I knew it was going south as soon as I started turning it. I started turning.
So, you need
I should have just left it. It worked.
you need a whole bunch of shit.
It worked. It drove here just fine.
You need a whole bunch of shit. I now need a brake line. Well, other than the ones that we already have to replace. So, might be taking a trip to O'Reilly's. We shall return.